Shortest ferry rides in the world is right here at the Billy Bishop Toronto City Airport. It is the Marilyn Bell Ferry, and today we're going on a ride. This ferry service started back in 2010, and in 2021 the Marilyn Bell ferry that we are on was retrofitted, and it is now the first ferry in Canada that is zero emissions lithium ion ferry. And the ferry only takes 90 seconds to cross 121 meters or 397 feet across the Western Channel. The Marilyn Bell Ferry is free for passengers going to Billy Bishop Toronto Centre Airport, and it is $15 to transport your vehicle. The Marilyn Bell Ferry transports passengers, the public, vehicles, staff who work at the airport, as well as supplies. And in an emergency services from Toronto can use this ferry to go over to the Toronto Islands in the event of an emergency. Seconds to cross the Western Channel, and the views when you get to the Billy Bishop Airport are just stunning of the city skyline, and we'll have a look at that right now. And we have arrived at the airport, and the views here are just incredible. You can see the Toronto Islands in the distance here. There's the city skyline right there, guys. It is just gorgeous. Got an airplane on the tarmac there. And there is a few benches and patio chairs right by the Western Channel here. And the public is free to use the ferry for free and take in all these views. Let's head downstairs and have a look right by the water. And there is the Marilyn Bell Ferry taking off. And the ferry runs every 15 minutes. The wait is not long. And let's walk over to the Western Channel, one of the most beautiful views of the city skyline right here at Billy Bishop Airport. And you literally can walk right to the edge here, guys. Unobstructed view of the city skyline. You have the Canada Malting Company Limited building there that I do believe will be redeveloped. Looking west, and you can also have an unobstructed view of the Marilyn Bell Ferry. And there you have it, folks. The shortest ferry ride in the world here at Billy Bishop Toronto City Airport.